Alright guys, just to give you a little look, I just rinsed it down, blew it off, get some of the dust off of it. These wheel dollies are here because I had to spin this thing around, look at the sun, to actually put the motor in it because the hoist is in the center of the garage. And I couldn't put it in the way it was, so I turned it around, put the motor in, and I just spun it around. And take these off. Man, I know you can't see it in the video, but this thing sparkles. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. Just a tiny bit of lime green. See if I can get closer. I can't tell. But I got her bolted in. It was a beast to do it by myself, but I did it. And let's see what's next. Okay, I've got the fuel cell that GSI actually makes in-house for this application. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it just yet, but it goes here. And then I got battery boxes for their Optima battery boxes, one for each side here. And then right here is where the AccuAir CVT system bolts onto, right up under the step of the cab. A few little details here and there, but we will be showing you more as we go. So look for a video in the next couple of weeks or a week. Oh, now can you see sparkle? Now look at the sun. There's some sparkle on it somewhere. All right, guys.